Hello. In today's episode of Cooking with Oscar, we are going to make blueberry muffins. Yum! You will need to make blueberry muffins, a mixing bowl, which is here, a spoon, which is here, some eggs, which is here, some toothpicks, which is here, a tray for all the dough to turn into muffins here, some eggs here, some water here, and 6 muffin cases here. That's all you need. Now you need to put this in to make the blueberry muffins. Oh, it's a bit like flour. Now the water. You need to get some all over. And then the egg. And then you need to give it a good stir. Boing, boing, boing. Bye bye, Luke. Mix, 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 mix. Once your mixture is ready, put your 6 muffin cases into the muffin tin. Can't fit them all in one hole though. Nice and spread everywhere. Oh, there we go. Oh, divide the muffin mixture into the muffin cases or muffin tin. Oh, kind of messy. Oh, this is in. Now I've decided, instead of making 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 big muffins, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we're going to make 10 little muffins. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take your blueberry mix and squeeze a little bit in each one, like this. Just a little bit, like that much, and that's enough. A little bit in each one would do. My dad said. Should I finish the bag? Daddy. Take your toothpicks and give it a little mix like this. Do this. whole thing might want to move, so that's why you need to do it gently. And if you want to, you can add some real blueberries, and you need 10, because there is 10. 1 for each. It's sinking in lovely. Lovely. This one could do with a nice blueberry. It's not actually got very much mixed. There we go. Now you need to bake them in the oven for 20 minutes. Now the muffins have had time to cool down. Let's test one. Yummy muffin waffle. Yeah. And don't forget to take off the paper. Oh. Okay. This is my muffin I've chose. Very blueberry-ish and yummy. And crunchy a bit. And very blueberry-ish. And very brown, which makes it look a bit like chocolate.